Welcome back to our Next.js 2D game development series. In this tutorial, we're adding jump animations to the player character using requestAnimationFrame. These animations will be triggered by pressing the spacebar. In the previous tutorial, we set up a Next.js project, created a game component to handle the canvas, built a game class to manage the game, and added a player class to draw the player character. Now, let's add some animations. In this tutorial, we're going to use the requestAnimationFrame function. This function tells the browser you wish to perform an animation and asks the browser to call a user-supplied function before the browser repaints the window. So first, we need to make some changes to the player class. Most notably, I've created a new create method that creates a new player and a new jump method that triggers a jump animation. And I've modified the draw method to actually do that draw animation, or that jump animation. So I've also made some modifications to the game class. Most notably, I've created a create method that creates a new game with a player. And then I've also made some modifications to recursively calculate new animation frames based on the time t. And now I've also modified the game component file like so. I also created a new style sheet, and this is everything that's in it. In this tutorial, we used recursive requestAnimationFrame calls to perform jump animations, and added an event listener to trigger jump animations when the user presses the spacebar. Next time, we'll implement collision detection and more advanced player movement. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Let's keep learning and growing together.